Hello, this is Vlad, and in this tutorial video we're gonna look how to work with the product called Paper Cut Lightbox. What is actually Paper Cut Lightbox is? It's a popular silhouette art that came from ancient China. It has changed since the old times and grown into modern silhouette art, combining its vast traditions. This art involves play of light and shadow, creating outstanding results with a soothing and charming effect. So far you had to create physical copy to see how possibly your ideas will look like, but for now, with this Photoshop extension you can easily create a lightbox effect digitally with just one click. First we need to install our extension. It's fairly simple. Unzip the file you've downloaded onto the desktop or anywhere else. Go and run the installer that matches your operating system. I'm on a Mac, so I'm choosing Mac OS installer. Double click on the installation file and get through the installation steps like you see on the screen. After the installation, go ahead and run Photoshop. Then go to Window, Extensions and click on the Paper Cut Lightbox. Now let's see how it works in the next section. Before using the extension, you need to create a template. I'll show you a quick example of how to process a scene on a ready-made template. I'm using a template from the papercutlightbox.com website, where you can download many beautiful free templates. To apply a lightbox effect, you need to understand a light scene structure. Your complex scene should consist of layers. The number of layers is not limited, but only with your imagination. On each layer, you need to place your own image. Place each layer to overlap each other in that way that they would be up in a layer stack from top to the bottom. The last layer in the layer stack is a light filtering layer. The holes in that layer creating a light transmission effect, but the size of the holes doesn't affect on the wall light in the scene. The final step you need to do, you must create a group and place all the layers into that group. Then select the group, go to the Paper Cut Lightbox panel and click on the Generate button.